It's something different for everybody.
I love the fact that there is water absolutely everywhere.
I fell in love with it for the beauty of the city.
The Gold Coast is young, it's vibrant, it's making its own waves.
Well, a lot of people say that the lifestyle is best, but I say it's the people, the friendliness, and that have-a-go spirit.
The Gold Coast is a place that has been created more or less out of nothing. At the 1954 census, the Gold Coast was a collection of villages. Within 60 years, it had evolved to a single urban mass of 600,000 people. It's a city that has been created by the Australian need for lifestyle.
The key industries on the Gold Coast traditionally have been tourism and construction, but we're seeing the rise of education and the medical areas being so important to widen the base on the Gold Coast.
We are a major city, we have the facilities of a major city, yet we have the natural beauty.
The Gold Coast is a great entrepreneurial city, always has been, and I think will continue to be.
It brings together a lot of people who have capacity to innovate and an interest in innovation.
We're now reaching the stage where we're starting to create our own high technology, high skilled workforce.
The groundswell's starting now. We're attracting renowned researchers here already to conduct their research.
We're a growing economy, a growing population, and that all goes well for anyone who does want to invest.
I think it is now time for us to invest in our future.
The Future Gold Coast project looks at what the Gold Coast might look like by the middle of the 21st century. We looked back over the last 50 years to see where the Gold Coast has come from. We looked forward in terms of population projections, social change, economic change, cultural change, and put that all together in a view of what we think will be important on the Gold Coast by 2050.
This project will deliver great outcome for our city.
With one mind, we're all working towards the future, and the future is looking very bright as a consequence of that.
The Gold Coast is a young city, and like all young cities, it's still developing its character. The lovely thing for us is that we get to influence the shape of that character.
The people here have a positive view, a can-do view. It's that aspirationalism, I think, that is intrinsic to the character of the Gold Coast and that will propel it forward to this quite extraordinary city by the middle of the 21st century.